I'm using brown Kraft paper that I've saved from my Amazon packaging. I fold up arbitrarily a width of paper and crease it, and then invert the fold and crease it again. I use a wet paper towel to moisten the edge. That makes it a little bit easier to tear. Of course, you can always use scissors or a rotary cutter to cut it, but I happen to like the fuzzy edge that it leaves. Any square paper will do. You start by folding it in half diagonally. Creasing all your creases well. Next, we're going to take all the points and meet them. So fold so that the points meet. And this will leave you with a square diamond with two flaps. Open the flaps so that you have a triangle again, and then take the points, the side points, and fold them towards the center. And it's important that the edge of your little triangle does not go past the crease that you've already formed. In other words, the points should not be touching or overlapping in the center. Next, we're going to fold this point back so that the edge is parallel with the bottom edge. So fold along this corner and crease it well, and make sure that that edge is horizontal like the bottom. Whatever you do on one side, make sure you do it the same on the other. These will become the ears. Next, we're going to fold along this line, this point down to the center point. And we're only going to use one layer. So fold that front layer downward, making sure that your edges do not cross any of the previous creases. Crease that nicely. That will form the pocket. Now it's time to flip the ear back and fold up the cheeks. It's a fold that it's already there. We're just refolding it back up. Next, we're going to tuck the ears into the pocket. So open up the pocket and tuck the ears back into it. Crease all your folds really well So everything's nice and sharp. To draw the features, I'm using this Sakura Jelly Roll pen. It's white and it shows up really well on the brown paper. Easily sketch in or color in the features of the inside of the ear, as well as the cheeks. For the eyes and the nose, I use this glaze pen. It has a nice glossy finish. And that's it.